I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the safety features with this car include lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine, gives it 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 5,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.